Save this video if you want to explore Sentosa Island Cable Car Edition here in Singapore. Hi kay Gala, another day, another gala na naman tayo at dito pa rin sa Singapore. Nga pala, bago ko ituloy ang video na ito at para makasave ka naman ng pera on your next Singapore trip and avail discounts on famous attractions here in Singapore, use my Klook discount code KaiGalaKlook to avail up to 3 to 5% discount on your next Singapore adventure. Ito na, if you want to explore Singapore, and definitely you have to visit Sentosa as there's so much to explore here. At the best way para makita lahat ng attractions is to book the famous Singapore Cable Car Skypass via Klook and avail my discount code to get 5% off. I highly recommend also na magsuot ng comfy shoes and bring a hat and umbrella since it's getting super hot here. Oh, you have visited some of the attractions na ba ng Sentosa Island? Kay Gala, definitely 100% recommended ko ito when you visit Singapore. Kahit takot ka pa sa heights, carry mo yan. For me, it's 10 out of 10 itong Sentosa Cable Car ng Singapore. Hindi lang siya means of transportation ha, dahil it's the unforgettable experience you'll get. Oh, ano na, tara, mag-Singapore at use my discount code. Uy, hanggang sa susunod na fun shows and attractions here in Singapore. Ingat!